That sounds a little dirty. So today I'll be trying out another mask I found at the drugstore. This is the Yes2 Tomatoes Clear Skin Detoxifying Charcoal Paper Mask. So if you've been to my channel before, you already know that I love trying out face masks. They're one of my favorite ways to just wind down and relax and be in the moment. And if you're new to my channel, I have a whole playlist of other face masks I've tried. The link for that will be in the description box below, or you can click the eye right there. Am I forgetting something? Ooh, don't forget to subscribe, please, because it's free. I think that's it. Let's get into the test. So I picked this mask up for $3, and Yes2 products are usually available at any major drugstore. And there are multiple different types of masks available in this line, just depending on your skin type. This mask says it's apparently good for all skin types. So this will be interesting. So on the Yes2 website, it says, yes to your new favorite LBM. That sounds a little dirty. Sometimes I think I have the maturity of a 4-year-old. But it stands for Little Black Mask. Okay, that's a little different. Formulated with charcoal to detoxify and clean pores, the single-use Yes2 Tomatoes Detoxifying Charcoal Paper Mask is perfect for those times when your skin needs a little serious deep cleaning. Okay, it also says it's 96% natural, formulated without parabens, SLS and silicones, and Leaping Bunny certified, which I'm assuming means cruelty-free. And on the packaging, it says Yes2 charcoal to help detox skin. All you need now is a good juice detox. That's a little weird. It also says charcoal is a natural detoxifier and impurity remover to deep clean skin. Not just for barbecues anymore. And for ingredients, we have aloe barbadensis, which is aloe vera. And this has skin soothing properties, antioxidant qualities, and serves as a hydrating agent for skin. There's also witch hazel in this, which is an astringent. There's also glycerin, which is a skin replenishing and skin restoring ingredient. Glycerin helps prevent skin dryness by holding water against your skin. Next we have tomato fruit extract, which is an antioxidant. There's also charcoal powder in here, which helps to clean and detoxify your skin. Next we have watermelon fruit extract, which is another antioxidant. There's also ginger root extract, which acts as an antiseptic. And there's also green tea extract in this, which is apparently a potent antioxidant and has skin soothing properties. So there's a lot of interesting stuff in this, but let's see if it actually works. So let's break this thing open. So let's see how to use this. It says gently unfold the mask to clean skin. I did that already. Adjust around the eyes, nose, and mouth, smooth to fit the curves of your gorgeous face. Ooh, they're kissing my butt. Like it. Close eyes and relax for 10 minutes. Remove mask and dispose. Tingling? Yes, it's working. Too much tingling? Take it off. Okay, take off what exactly? Take off the mask, take off the remaining serum. I mean, you have to give me some clarification here. All right, so I will take that as a warning that if there's too much tingling, to wash my face and get the remaining serum off. I already have some extreme anxiety about this mask. I've never really had a weird reaction to a face mask before, but I guess there's a first time for everything. And this is like trying to break into Fort Knox. They're not making this easy. There is a slight scent, and that's because they added fragrance. Now it is the last ingredient on here, so there's not a lot of fragrance, but for a product that claims to be 96% natural, it really wasn't necessary. By looking at it, this looks like it's going to get a little messy. So I'm gently unfolding. But they're not really making this easy. Okay, we got it unfolded. All right, let's try this. I'm not sure who the fit model was for this mask, but I don't think it's really designed to fit in an adult face because it seems to be puckering around my nose area. It's not lying flush. I don't know, it's doing this weird riding up thing. I mean, if they put a few more cuts around here, around the edges, it might fit a bit better. Well, this is an interesting look. Oh, the things I try out for this channel. So the time is 11:22. So the packaging says this is to stay on for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go and try and relax for 10 minutes and then I'll be back and give you my thoughts on this mask. So the time is 11:27. So I know the packaging of this mask said that my skin could feel a slight tingling, but in all honesty, my skin felt like it was on fire the second I put this mask on my face. I tried toughing this thing out, and I know it's only been 5 minutes, but in all honesty, my skin feels like it's boiling lava hot now. I don't know what's waiting for me underneath this mask. I just hope my skin isn't like sunburnt tomato red or anything. So let's get this thing off. I've never been so happy to take off a mask in my entire life. Yeah, I'm a little singed. Oh, I brought a cold cloth just in case. Instantaneous relief. I'm just gonna try and apply this for a few seconds to hopefully calm my skin down. It's a little angry right now. Normally I would massage the remaining product into my skin, but in this case, that's a hard pass for me. All right, I'm a little less red now. Note to self, do not go out without sunscreen today. So, touching my face, it did noticeably make my skin a lot softer and smoother, but that's probably because it literally removed a layer of dead skin cells off my face. So I really can't review the detoxifying benefits of this mask because I had a skin reaction. Fortunately, my face doesn't look that bad anymore. It feels, I just caught myself in the viewfinder. Yeah, it's still pretty pink. I mean, it's not flaming tomato red anymore, but it still looks a little irritated. So I just have to clarify that I don't have sensitive skin. I normally don't have these kind of skin reactions, but I really can't recommend this one at all. If you have any sort of skin sensitivities, this is definitely a mask to avoid like the plague. I don't know how they can say that it's meant for all skin types because it's not. It's not. I'm not one who has skin reactions. I've never had anything like this before. The moral of this story is just because it's 96% natural doesn't mean it's good for you. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.